Hi, my name is Rachel Mills, and today I will be demonstrating how a new user would find the information regarding an admissions counselor while applying to the University of Idaho, located on the University of Idaho webpage. In a test of usability of new users on the University of Idaho webpage, I found that overall it was fairly easy to navigate throughout the webpage. However, one of the tasks that gave me challenges is the one I'm going to demonstrate about the difficulty of finding the proper admissions counselor. When first opening the University of Idaho webpage, we are brought to the home page, which looks like this. In the top right corner, there is an Apply button, which we will click on to launch us into a separate Apply page. On this page to the right, there is an icon and a separate link that will guide us to the admissions counselor information. After clicking, we are brought to another page that then introduces the admissions counselors offered at all University of Idaho campuses. In order to reach information on the admissions counselor, we need to scroll down further. Once we have reached a list of admissions counselors, we must find one that fits the Moscow campus. Finally, after many clicks and redirections, we have found the admissions counselor that is available to the Moscow campus of the University of Idaho. Overall, the webpage is pretty easy to navigate, but when it comes to information on applying and seeking help, I think that it should be offered on the first page, as well as having the Moscow campus in order first. Since there are plenty of campuses that the University of Idaho covers, my recommendation is that there is a filter for what campus you are looking for. Thank you for listening to my recommendations, and I hope you have a great day.